Good morning, everyone. Jill here with North Texas Vegetable Gardening Canning Recipes, a little bit of everything. So we did a thing. We went ahead and got us something that we think is going to help us with our farm, not only to keep it surveilled, but also that we can check on some things maybe without being right there on top of it. Check this out. Why on earth would I need this on my farm? Let's get to unboxing and we'll talk. Packaged very nicely. Ooh-wee. What am I gonna do with this? What a very nice case this has. Oh my goodness. Am I gonna get into some trouble with this? Nah, I won't get in trouble. I'll be legal, guys, but we're gonna check this out. And here is the user manual, the quick start. Looks like some blades here, all of our connectors. So it comes with 2 batteries, guys. Now we're not very good at this, but we're gonna give it a shot. So yes, we got us a great drone and we really enjoy it. Unfortunately, with a lot of the weather, we've not been able to use it as much as we wanted to. We've had very, very high winds and we've had the severe thunderstorms, and it looks like this weekend we're gonna have a lot more. So keep us in your prayers. But anyway, we think that we're gonna find this to be a very helpful tool. Now, a couple of things you want to think about if you do decide to get this or any other drone. You want to make sure that you check out the licensing information in your area, and you want to make sure you check out the registration necessities in your area as well. We will go ahead and do our registration and our licensing if it looks like we're going to have to do that. But I want to promote this to you guys to show you that if you have even a bigger farm than you can go out and check out what's going on your farm. One of the things I want to use it on is when storms are coming in, if there's not any high winds. But you can see how green everything is here around us and on the farm, and it just really gives us a good view of our layout. Greg wants to try to see if he can't do some grid patterns with it, and so we'll keep you posted on that. But if you're interested, we will put a link below. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and we will see you this weekend.